I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're here at Choji Yakiniku, which is located in Chatswood in Sydney. This place has an amazing yakiniku, which is like a Japanese style barbecue house here, and it's amazing. They have an omakase menu, but today we're here for the a la carte because we can't eat that much. But yeah, super excited. Let's go in.
Okay, first up we're going to try the marbled beef tongue. Smells really good. I think it's got a light soy marinade on it. It looks super tender and super juicy. Here we go. If you guys haven't had ox tongue before, or tongue in general, it's got a nice chew to it. But because this one is like a fatty marbled beef, even the tongue is super juicy and not super chewy. Wow, it's got really good flavor.
Next up, we have the beef intestines. These are marinated in spicy miso. Let's put this beef intestine on the grill. Yum! I like how this tool is like, it just stands up, so then like the dirty part doesn't touch the table. It's so convenient. We all have one each.
Oh wow, oh I didn't know.
Yeah.
I put it the wrong way.
It smells so charred, and I smell the spicy miso sauce. Super pungent. Yum. Wow. It's so fatty. Grilled miso sauce with fatty, chewy intestine. Delicious.
I also got myself a cold dip soba. So here I have the soba noodles topped with seaweed. I've got the sauce and a bit of tempura flakes. And she's got her hot udon with 2 pieces of tempura.
So bouncy noodles. Have it with the prawn tempura. So good.
We're gonna start with the fattiest piece right now. Oh, I can hear a sizzle straight away. Very excited. This is the fattiest beef of the night, so oh my lord. Reminds me of us back in Japan eating barbecue steak. Oh, it's dripping with oil. Yum. My mouth is salivating. I don't know how to describe it. It's like 80% fat, 20% meat probably. Usually it's the other way around. You're chewing on like a fluffy cloud of flavorful butter. It's so delicious. It's got a bit of beefiness as well, so it doesn't taste overly fatty and overly oily, but it's so melting in your mouth and so delicious. Wow. Now we're gonna do another piece of Wagyu. It's a bit less fatty, but As you guys can see, it's still super marbled and delicious. This one, contrary to the previous one, actually has seasoning on there, so it's basted in a nice sauce.
Smells really good, and there's a layer of oil on top of it, glistening in fat. Wow. That's so juicy and fatty. Almost doesn't taste like beef. It's like the texture's different from normal steak or beef. Delicious. Wow, so buttery. Yum.
After all that fatty beef, we finally got our dessert, which is a strawberry kakigori, which is a strawberry-shaped ice. It looks like the ice is just ice and it's not milk, but hopefully it will still be nice. It's got whipped cream on there, it's got strawberry syrup, as well as fresh pieces of strawberry.
Wow, it is so smooth and silky. Thought it would be very icy, but it's not at all. That ice just literally melted in my mouth. Delicious. Strawberry syrup is really nice. It's a bit tart, so not overly sweet, and very creamy. Yum.
Wow, we are so full. Had a massive meal with
stuffed.
so many different cuts of beef. It was really, really delicious. We had so much Wagyu. It was all super fatty. There's not one that was bad. There's not one that was dry.
Chewy or dry beef.
Yeah, every
so
single was
soft.
perfect. If you guys are ever in the north or in the Chatswood area, definitely check out this place.
Like this video if you haven't, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.